Multiply. Already we had learned multiply using box method. Now let's learn one more method. 24 into 2. First, we have to write the given numbers in vertical form. Write 24 in the first line and 2 in the second line. 2 is the one-digit number. We should write the number 2 in ones place. Now, write the multiplication symbol in the left side. To find the answer for this question, we have to use 2 times table. First, start with ones place. 4 into 2. In 2 times table, 4 2s are 8. Write 8 in the ones place. 2 into 2. In 2 times table, 2 2s are 4. Write 4 in the tens place. Now, 24 into 2 is equal to 48. Move on to the next question. 34 into 5. First, write the given numbers in vertical form. Write 34 in the first line and 5 in the second line. 5 is the one-digit number. We should write that in the ones place. Now write the multiplication symbol in the left side. To find the answer for this question, we should use 5 times table. First, start from the ones place. 4 into 5. In 5 times table, 4 5s are 20. 20 is the two-digit number. Write 0 in the ones place and 2 as the carryover in the tens place. The carryover should be added. Now, multiply 3 and 5. 3 into 5. In 5 times table, 3 5s are 15. I already said we should add the carryover. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Write 7 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Therefore, 34 into 5 is equal to 170. Now move on to the third question. 63 into 4. First, we should write the given numbers in vertical form. Write 63 in the first line and 4 in the second line. 4 should be written in the ones place. And write the multiplication symbol in the left side. Here we have to use 4 times table. Now start from the ones place. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 is the two-digit number. We have to write 2 in the ones place and 1 as the carryover in the tens place. Now 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. The carryover should be added. 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. Write 5 in the tens place and 2 in the hundreds place. Therefore, 63 into 4 is equal to 252. Now, let's learn the multiplication of two two-digit numbers. 43 into 12. First, we have to write the given numbers in vertical form. Write 43 in the first line and 12 in the second line. The numbers should be in their respective places. Write the multiplication symbol in the left side. Here, 12 can be splitted as 10 and 2. To find the answer for this question, first we have to multiply the given number by 2 and then by 10. We have to add the answers. First, 43 into 2. To find this, use 2 times table. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Write 6 in the ones place. Next, 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Write 8 in the tens place. In the second step, we have to multiply the number 43 by 10. 43 into 10. As 10 has 0 in its ones place, write 0 here. Now 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Write 3 in the tens place. 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. Write 4 in the hundreds place. Now we have to add these answers. 6 plus 0 is 6. Write 6 in the ones place. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write 1 in the tens place and 1 is the carryover in the hundreds place. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Write 5 in the hundreds place. Therefore, 43 into 12 is equal to 516. Move on to the next question. 57 into 25. First, write the given numbers in vertical form along with multiplication symbol. Here, 25 can be splitted as 20 and 5. To find the answer for this question, first we have to multiply the given number by 5 and then by 20. Next we have to add the answers. Okay, let's start. 57 into 5. Use 5 times table. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. Write 5 in the ones place and 3 as the carryover in the tens place. The carryover should be added. Okay, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Already we have the carryover. 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. Write 8 in the tens place and 2 in the hundreds place. Move on to the next step. 57 into 20. As 20 has 0 in its ones place, write 0 here. Now we have to multiply 57 by 2. Use 2 times table. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. Write 4 in the tens place and 1 is the carryover. The carryover should be added. Okay, 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Already we have 1 as the carryover. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Write 1 in the hundreds place and 1 in the thousands place. Now we have to add the answers. 5 plus 0 is 5. Write 5 in the ones place. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 2 in the tens place and 1 is the carryover in hundreds place. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Write 4 in the hundreds place. 1. Consider the empty space as 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Write 1. Therefore, 57 into 25 is equal to 1425.